Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hamidah. I am standing here. I want to tell you about Ramadan fasting. Ramadan fasting is carried in the month of Ramadan, which is a number of days between 29 and 30 days of fasting, according to the teaching of Islam. In fasting in the month of Ramadan, we can erase mistake or forgive sins that have been done so far, but it must be with a power of faith and expect the reward of the pleasure of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Fasting during Ramadan is the implementation of the four pillars of Islam in the teachings of Islam. According to the Islamic teachings, fasting during Ramadan is a fast that must be carried out from one full month of grace. So that is, you deliberately do not carry out fasting during the month of Ramadan. The someone will sin accordingly. Ramadan fasting is a routine and worship that cannot be left behind every year because each month the mandatory laws. Ramadan fasting is carried down to sunset. In this month of Ramadan, all Muslims are required to fast. Is not able to be then required the replace that the fast on the other days. The glory of the month of Ramadan is the presence of a night full of glory and blessing. On one of the night and the last night and all in the month of Ramadan, the night of Laylatul Qadar. In the month of Ramadan, there is a night that is better than 1,000 moon, namely Laylatul Qadar. With it is on this night, the last 10 days of the month of Ramadan are the time and the Quran is revealed. After 1 month of fasting, there comes the month of Idul Fitri. Well, one day, they return to holiness like newborn baby, because Idul Fitri all sins all forgiven by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala.